Okay, parents and students, so if you're at home and you're getting frustrated because anytime you try to access something that we have posted through Google, so a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, a Google Form, and it's telling you that you don't have permission to get to it, it's because the school district has everything locked down so that only students and teachers can access these types of things. So it's for our protection. However, it's a frustration at home. So I'm going to try to help you work through how to be able to access these things. So I'm on Google Chrome, so that's what I have open. And in Google Chrome, up here, I'm logged in as my home self right now. I'm on my home laptop at home. Usually the students are accessing all of these things through the Chromebooks at school. They're logging in using their school credentials so they don't get these access problems. But now that you're at home, these are some of the things you might need to look at. So I would need to go ahead and from here, we don't want payment methods. Other people, I want to add a person. And I am going to add this person as student 1. And they can be a dragon. And I'm going to go ahead and add them. And I'm going to then, here, I want to make sure that you can see this. So it's saying make Chrome your own, already a Chrome user. The students' school logins are a Chrome user login, so they can sign in that way. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in a student's email. So I'm going to pause it because that student's email I don't want to put on the video, and then show you the next step. So once I put in that student's email, which for the 5th graders, it's 27, and then their information at students with an S, cdschools, again with an S.org, it then brings me to this because it associates that email with this login, and this login is basically the same as what they see when they log into the Chromebooks. So again, I'm going to pause to put in the student's username and password. Okay, so right above where the screen is, there is that whole student email that's right there, and it's asking them to confirm. I just changed the screen size again to keep that student's email out of the video, and I'm going to go ahead and press continue. So Chrome wants to know if I want to link data to this account. I would say yes, you do want to link the data, but in the part that's above where I'm showing, it again has the student email again. So I'm going to tell it to link the data. And here it wants to know if I want to turn the sync on, and I'm going to cancel because, again, I'm doing this with a student's email, and as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to delete it, so I don't want to. If you'd like to get all of their personalized search ads and other searches and passwords and everything, then yes, you would want to, but I'm not interested in that. And now I'm in here, and my account is different, and if I look up here, it then has the dragon icon, which is indicating that I'm in as that student. And if I go ahead and I press on that, it tells me that I'm student 1, and then I could switch into one of the other accounts that I have on here. Once the student is logged in and it is their icon that is up here, if they try to access those things that are on Google, that should allow them to have the permission to get into the documents that teachers are creating.